What's up everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. As always, check out the description for helpful information like the recipe, tips, updates, the supply list, and more. Use any type of salt that you want. Use a hard butter like illipe butter, melt it, then add fragrance. This works really well because the butter coats the salt, creating dry, free-flowing, scented bath salt. Add about 2.5 milliliters of liquid to 100 grams of salt. Mix everything well and coat the salts evenly. Lay the salt flat to dry. Then let the salt dry fully. Once cured, the salt should be dry and free-flowing. In the past, I've demonstrated how you can scent bath salts using a powder that absorbs fragrance, like Slick Fix, NatureSorb, or a different powder. For that tutorial, click the information icon. But for right now, I'm going to show you how to make your own powder. Mix all of the ingredients together well. Now mix alcohol and a liquid surfactant together. Then add it to the mixture to activate it. This is going to make the mixture dry quickly and fully. Dry the mixture completely. After it's dry, break it up. Then grind it to an even powder. The powder should be hard, dry, and scented. You can add the scented base powder to scent salts, to add additional scent, or to fix heavily scented salt. Like if you added too much fragrance and butter mixture, the salts become sticky and slow moving. So you can fix them by adding a bit of scented powder at a time until they're dry and free flowing. At the most, add 1/3. So if you have 1 cup of salts, add up to 1/3 cup of powder. It moves, it's not sticking, it's free flowing. In my book, that's perfect. After scenting the salt, finish personalizing your bath salt by adding color and decoration. For more bath salt tutorials, click the information icon. Subscribe now for more awesome tutorials just like this. Just click my face right there in the middle.